Hey, what's going on, traders? Once again, it is me, Marquise, aka the DJ Daytrader. That's right, putting down another video for you, and it is once again time for my hot pick of the day. But before I get into that, don't forget to help me on out with my channel as I do with you every day. So return the favor. What you gotta do, just smash those buttons for me. Simple and easy. Make sure to like my videos, subscribe to the channel, and also hit that bell alert notification button anytime I put up some new content or go live. You will be the first one to know, and you can be right there with me. No problem whatsoever. All right, let's get into it. Time for my hot pick of the day, and today's hot pick of the day is none other than everyone's favorite rideshare app, Uber. That's right, Uber. There was no real big news catalyst for it today, but it hit one of my alerts for my technical trades, and also I was skimming through its news feed today on Thinkorswim, and I came across with articles like this: why this analyst is bullish on Uber and Lyft. Also some option alerts for some calls for November 29th at 28 and January 17th for $29 calls. So a lot of people are bullish on this. And also Uber Technology says its CEO reported a open market purchase of 250,000 shares of co-common stock at $26.75. So a lot of people are bullish on Uber, and I feel like it should be going up too, because it kind of bottomed out and it started to curl on up, and I believe they have a lot of things going on. So definitely you might want to take this ride up with Uber. But as always, let's look into the charts to see what's going on with my hot pick of the day. That's Uber, of course, the ticker UBER. Now, as you can see, since its IPO way back here, let's say in May, it got a boost up to this 47 and just kind of was declining. This was one of those unicorn IPOs that everyone was talking about was gonna go to the moon, and it just kind of fizzled and fizzled on bad news and earnings and all these things happening. So it all the way came back down to as low as 25.58 and kind of double bottomed here and was holding this 26 retracement level I had. As you can see, the last levels I retraced is from this last leg up before this last drop from 28.31 all the way to 33.89 to get a introspect on how Uber could be a retrace. So definitely today it hit and crossed above this 28.31, which I put my first alert, which it may start to break over this Fibonacci retracement and hold and possibly head up for this mini gap fill at about 29.30ish. So definitely want to watch this area tomorrow. Let's check the intraday chart to get more perspective, a closer look on it.
Extreme close up! Wah! Wah! Wah!
As you can see, it didn't quite make it in the regular hours, but after hours, a pop up into this 28.93, almost 29 level, and then a pullback, and right now it's just hovering above this 28.40, and as I can see, this 28.31 level that I was waiting for it to reclaim. So it is definitely holding on to this. So we'll look for this 28.40, 28.30ish level. Also right above it, looming right above it, 28.50 is the 20 EMA on the daily. So we might want to clear this before we start shooting up to the 29 and maybe even higher, 29.30. Uber has a modest ATR of just $1.23, but it is known to move some. So see, today's range was just about $1.45, so not much more. But if we get more bullish tendencies in Uber, we could see this maybe move $2 or $3 in a day if we could get some volume behind it. But definitely if it clears this 28.50, we could see 29.50, maybe even maybe close to 30 possibly. But a failure of this 28.40 or 28.30 level could take it back to 28 and even 27.67, or even this 27.42, which is the 9 EMA on the daily. I know a lot of people have been hitting me up saying, well, you're saying the stock could go up or the stock could go down. That's exactly what I'm saying. What I do is I try and give you guys levels to trade off of and mitigate your risk depending on your size share or what you're willing to risk on the trade. So basically I'm just giving you levels to trade off of, and depending on the patterns that come in, you can make a judgment for yourself of which way you want to go, long or short. That's all I'm doing. I'm not saying I know it's going to go long, I know it's going to go short. No one can really predict the market, but I'm just giving you some support and resistance levels that you can trade off, and like I said, mitigate your risk as much as possible. Okay, so that's what's going on with that, and that is my hot pick of the day on Uber. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, my hot pick of the day on the ticker UBER. That, of course, is Uber. All right, once again, it takes a lot to put these videos together, a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of editing, and all that good stuff. So all I ask in return is for you to help me out with 3 clicks of your mouse. Yes, 3 simple clicks can go a long way. 1, like the video. 2, subscribe to the channel. And the 3rd click, well, hit that bell notification tab. Anytime I put up some new content, new videos, or go live, you will be the first one to know, and definitely get the edge on the market. That's right. So that was my hot pick of the day, and that's gonna make it a wrap for me, Mark Easy, aka the DJ Daytrader, reminding you to plan your trade, trade your plan, and stay green. You know what I mean? Till next time, aloha.